What's up guys, it's Ikematic from GSC, back at you again with an unboxing video. Well, it's not really an unboxing, it's just me talking crap while you watching me opening up a box. So I decided to buy an arcade stick just to get in the real feeling, the real arcade feeling. Because people say that using a stick is way better than using a controller. So I just went for it. This is my first arcade stick. So I know it's gonna take some time getting used to it and stuff, but it's no problem. With Street Fighter 5, man, I can't wait. Let me speed it up. Yeah, so there's a manual that comes with it. Well, who needs a manual, right? Throw that shit away. So this is what it looks like. This is the stock Venom arcade stick for PlayStation 3 and PlayStation 4. And yeah, it looks cool. You see there's a plexiglass on it, so you can take it off and put some custom artwork on it. Yeah, this is how it looks from the side and the back. It's pretty huge, man. But it's good, so you can put it on a table so it won't slip. It has grip on it. On the top left there are buttons: LSDP select switch, PS3 to PS4 switch, share button, options, start button, turbo button, and the PS home button. So yeah. Oh yeah, and on the side you can pull out the cable. I think it's a 3 meter cable. It's pretty long. You can't detach it, so whenever you're playing you just have to bear with it. So yeah, this is the Venom arcade stick. I'm gonna be playing lots of Street Fighter 5 to get adjusted to it. Follow me on Twitch if you want to see how the arcade stick works. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more gaming stuff.